In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a template in the WP Travel Engine trip page. If you're looking to personalize your travel website's trip page, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. To do that, simply type in your website.com.wp-admin in your browser's address bar. Hit enter, and you'll be taken to a login page. Here, enter your username and password to gain access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Appearance section on the left sidebar and select Theme File Editor. As you click on this option, you might encounter a warning. Don't worry, this is just a precautionary message. Go ahead and click I understand to proceed. This step is crucial as it directly affects your website's theme files. Next, you need to locate the template you want to modify. On the right side, look for the folder corresponding to WP Travel Engine or your active theme. Inside, find a file called something like singletrip.php or contenttrip.php. These are usually the files that define your trip page's layout. For safety and best practice, it's highly recommended to copy this template file into your child theme. By doing so, you ensure that any updates to the main theme won't override your customized changes. Copy the template file and head to your child themes directory, usually found under .wp content/themes/your child theme WP Travel Engine taste. Paste the copied file there before making modifications. Now open the file you just copied into your child themes folder. This is where you'll make actual changes to customize your trip page layout. You can modify the HTML, CSS, or PHP to alter the layout, button text, trip details, and image placement as per your preferences. It's your canvas, so feel free to get creative while ensuring that the user experience remains seamless. Once you're satisfied with your edits, remember to save your changes. Look for an Update File button, which will save all the adjustments you've made. Then, refresh your trip page on the front end to check out your new customized layout. This will give you a glimpse of how your visitors will view the trip details. If coding isn't your cup of tea, there's an optional step for you. You can use a visual page builder like Elementor. Open your trip page with Elementor or any page builder of your choice to add or style sections visually. Make sure to hit the update button once you're done. Finally, it's always a good idea to test your newly customized page on both desktop and mobile devices. This helps ensure that your design is responsive and looks great on every screen size. If necessary, make tweaks to padding, margins, or font sizes to achieve the best appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your WP Travel Engine trip page. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your newly styled trip page enhances your site visitors' experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.